I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of project management. In this video, I'm going to discuss one of the most important topic for the project management, namely project management knowledge area and process. Short form is PMBOK. What do you mean by PMBOK of the project management? Let me brief up the concept of project management knowledge areas and process. First of all, we'll see what is the meaning of PMBOK. So it is very essential for a project manager to understand the basics of PMBOK. See, the full form is Project Management Body of Knowledge, which describes 10 knowledge areas for a project management discipline. Suppose I'm a project manager, I should know the 10 important area for doing any or undertaking or managing any type of project. I hope you understood. So we, as a project manager, he or she should have an in-depth understanding about those areas, 10 areas, and they should have known the application, then attaining the proficiency in any one of the knowledge area, which will be helpful for smooth completion of the project. So PMBOK, we should understand as a project manager, correct? Yes, that is why we require PMBOK to know the how to start the project and how to close the project, how to initiate and how to close. In between, there are so many stages that I will discuss later on. First of all, I let you know what are the 10 important PMBOK. So as you can observe here, first one is called integration, because we need to integrate. As a project manager, I need to integrate all the activities and all the stakeholders concerned for the project. Then only I can complete the project within the budget and within the time. Okay, so integration or coordination is very important. First of all, we should have like a scope of the project. Suppose I'm dealing with my clients. Initially itself, we should talk about the scope of the project. Once the project is about to deliver, we never can change anything, correct now? Suppose I'm designing a laptop. I'm designing a laptop for my clients. Starting itself, I should give the scope of the project in the sense processor. What about the memory size? So once I about to deliver the laptop to my clients, if the client is saying that the memory that and the processor is not fine, then what I have to do? So initially, you have to define the scope or limitations. Time delivery is most important. Project has to be delivered at right time. On-time delivery is very important for project. Also, the project should be delivered within the stipulated budget, within the budget. Correct. Budget should not be exceeded. Suppose I'm saying to my client that I'll be completing the project within 3 years in the budget of 5 lakhs. So now later, 1.5 years or after completion of 2 years, I am saying that it will not be completed within 5 lakhs or it will not completed within 3 years. So there is no point of saying such kind of like excuses or argument. Okay, so budget also very important. Quality. Quality of material, that's most important because we require the client in future also. It's a continuous process. Okay, no, it's not like something you will be delivering to the clients and you are winding up the project. That is not acceptable. So quality is most important. We have so many quality standards, TQM, quality management system, benchmarking, Six Sigma. There are so many qualities we can adopt. ISO 9001. Also, risk is most important because COVID-19, many of the project managers, they already initiated at the time of 2020. Okay, I guess 2020. So many projects actually delayed because of COVID-19. It is an external factor. It's not in our hand, correct, no? And cyclone, flood, etc. Those risks, how we are managing the risk. Also, we have to maintain a buffer time. Suppose before delivering at least 5 days or 10 days, we have to make a buffer time. Integrating the human resource management, that is most important. So all the resources, human resources are most important. Without manpower, we cannot do anything. Correct. Then communication and procurement of goods, materials are most important. Communication. Use the ICT tool. Nowadays, we need to look at Industry 4.0 trends. Then stakeholder management. Stakeholders are customers, then vendor management, all the stakeholders you have to integrate subsequently. So these are the 10 knowledge area which are concerning for successful completion of a project. Okay, this is known as PMBOK. So for your better understanding, so I have given in a pictorial representation so that you can memorize very easily, like stakeholder management, integration, time management, quality management, scope, then HR management, procurement, cost, communication, risk, all are comes under PMBOK. Okay. Moreover, for the exam point of view, you need to elaborate a little bit more. For that purpose, what I have done is I have elaborated. The first point is related to integration, then scope I have explained, then time management, then cost, then quality, human resource, project communication management, risk management, project procurement management, project stakeholder management. This is only for your reference because at the time of examination, you need to go in depth. So you can refer this one, this PPT, and make a note of this, writing the habit by your own, like a habit of writing the notes. Okay, so you can refer my video and you can parallel, you can start writing. That note is more than sufficient. Instead of taking the printout and wasting of time and money, okay, wasting of money, better you can refer the notes by your own. So if you know these kind of like 10 points, if you know, you can only explain. Okay, same manner what I have done. There are so many points you can add apart from my point. It's a management subject. So there is no like limit of restricting the words. You can elaborate by your own experience. So that's all. So let me know if you have any clarifications. I'm happy to answer back. So tomorrow I'm going to discuss about the remaining topic. It will be a lecture series. Please note that it's a lecture series. So A to Z, I'll be providing A to Z solution. You can ask me any queries or any other like questions related to the topic of explanation. I can answer. Okay. So comment box is always open to you. Even I'll be sharing my contacts also. So notes I'll share based on your request. I am waiting for how many people are required my notes. I'll be sharing with that through the drive I'm going to share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. Have a nice day.